Hey guys, I'm going to pick up a Porsche, and at the same time I'm going to be walking around a McLaren and a Nissan GTR with the engine burnt out. I'm not going to be allowed to go and touch it inside because they say it's COVID-19. I could look around it, but I can't look inside, so please stay tuned for us looking around the damage of the vehicle. It's not cleared. Burnt out. And how much one of these engines are? And how much one of these engines are?
Only a guess, mate.
10 grand. Oh, it's left-hand drive as well. What plates? Okay. I'm just gonna go around that way. So this one's burnt out, and this one's burnt out.
Yeah, burnt
Oh, did you like ever get this started?
out.
This started. What's the mileage on it? I hope I come back with my wood again for this one. See you later.